Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be in front of the camera. Once again, my name is OHLEEN and this is Modest Sisters. I am bringing to you once again an unboxing video of clothes, and these clothes are from a shop called Never Fully Dressed. I know, interesting name, very interesting name. It definitely catches your attention, and their items definitely catch your attention. They've been spending a lot of time and effort in promoting themselves on Instagram, and I'm sure you've come across them. If you haven't, this video is obviously going to send you to go and check them out, I'm sure. But I want to unbox an interesting packaging, that's for sure. So the shop is called Never Fully Dressed. It was established in 2009 here in the United Kingdom, and you know, it started in a lady's parents' attic, and from there she grew, and now she is a full-blown shop with two factories in China and 2 factories here in the UK. So dream big, that's what that says to me. Dream big, because you can do whatever you want to, so whatever you set your mind to. I know the shop is called Never Fully Dressed, but I think their items, most of their items are quite the opposite. There's a lot of maxi skirts, a lot of loose jumpers, really trendy, edgy stuff, very comfortable, cozy, fashionable pieces. I've ordered a suit, I've ordered a skirt and a top and something else which I can't remember, but this is going to be part 1 of part 2. This is going to be part 1 of 2 videos. This is just unboxing, reviewing my experience, reviewing the items, getting a feel of the items. They are definitely not on the cheap side, I will say that, and they don't, I want to say they don't often have sales, because I haven't, every time I've been on their website to just kind of see what goes on there, what items come in stock and the vibe and the feel of the website, I haven't seen a sale item section. What I do see are discount codes for when you sign up for the newsletter and 20% off something because they've got a promotion going, but they don't necessarily have items in sale, a sale section. I'm sure they will, like Christmas maybe, and just like special occasions. Unlike, for example, the point I'm getting to is, unlike and other stories, they have a promotion section that is like forever green, right? And I love that. And I know every shop can't do that because they're like a, I wouldn't say they're small, but probably right now I would class them as like, you know, a boutique. So I guess, you know, their items are really, they don't have excess stock to constantly be in sale, which is the reason why items end up in sale most of the times, is excess stock that hasn't shifted. Let's jump straight into it. You know what's up. This video, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment below what you like, what would you do, what would you spend having had a look on their website. And this is part 1. We are going to open the goods. Which, I mean, I must say, I mean, breast. I think this is boobs. What do you think this is? But let's get inside, shall we? Hopefully what's inside is much better. So very simple packaging. What I do like is they didn't put this in a massive packaging which is wasting, and a lot of shops do that. They've fitted it all in quite snug, which is very important for the environment. To you, I ordered a suit, okay, and this is the blazer, this is the matching trousers, and this is a skirt, and this is a top. Invoice, which doesn't come with prepaid return slip. They won't cover for your returns, so you will have to return the items at your own cost should you need to. This is a top, and this top comes in one size. I don't know how I feel about that. I think I will know how I feel about that when I try it on, but It comes in one size. It doesn't have a small, medium, or large. The quality feels good. It does feel great in terms of quality. Obviously, I can't talk about durability here. It doesn't have lining, this particular top. I'm guessing it's because they want it to be fitted, but then, I don't know, it's one size. So I'm very curious how it's going to sit on me. I am a size 8 at the top, so we'll see. It's got puffy shoulders, shoulder sleeves, which are elasticated. This hole looks quite big, so we shall see. Again, I think this one size thing is making me nervous. This is a skirt. They are very big on wrap skirts. They have such vibrant colors, and which is very nice. A big test for me on this that I will be doing on part 2 of this video is how it sits on me, because I'm not exactly model tall, and some of these skirts sometimes can be a hit and miss. Right, the material is all right. So the top was puff sheer knit, £69. And then the skirt, the Aztec skirt, size 8, is £59. All right. Now, I got a size down on the wrap skirt because I'm going to be in control of how it sits on me. So I got a size down. Usually the problem with skirts is they don't go past my hips. So I got a size down, because I'm going to be putting it high waist, and I'm in control of how much I tie it, how loose I tie it, or how tight I tie it. But it's a standard wrap skirt. In terms of quality, I'm not sure if it's worth £59. It doesn't have lining, and normally lining gives your pieces that extra luxe feel. And to me, when an item doesn't have lining, I'm not sure. I wonder then, you know, the quality of the feel of the fabric is very nice. It is, and it's not too wrinkled, so you can quickly steam this and it will get back to normal. They have a YouTube channel which has their stylists showing you, amongst other things, how to style the skirts and how to tie them, which can be handy for some people who, you know, I certainly will be conscious. I don't want my skirt dropping. So this is the skirt. Initial thoughts, great, lovely color. I love the gold and orange. I love the pattern, the Aztec pattern. The feel is quite nice. This is the trousers. I got the trousers in a size 10. I didn't want to be messing about trying to get a size up or size down. I just got my size, because sometimes, you know, if you feel like you want it to sit somewhere, some type of way, you get a size up or you get a size down. Now, again, no lining on this. All right. How much was this? The trousers was £69 as well. The fabric is nice. There is a tad bit of stretch in there, which means I possibly could have got away with a size 8. This means I'm looking at this thinking it's possibly not going to sit at my high waist because it's quite wide, but we shall see when I try it on. The zip is at the back. The zip detail is at the back, which is quite nice. So it'll tuck you in, but there's no other adjustments that will sink in anything apart from the zip on the suit trousers. They have this suit in, I think, 4 or 5 other colors: a blue, a red, and like a pattern which looks like a paisley pattern, or like petals or something like that, but it's also navy. And then they have this checked one. So the material feels nice. A little bit disappointed. Initial reactions, let's see how it sits. Tad bit disappointed at the lack of lining. It's very simple sewing techniques. Okay, last but not least, like I said, this is a very quick video because we've got part 1 and part 2 of this. The blazer jacket. Now the blazer jacket, I did get a size 8 because I'm a size 8 at the top anyway, and I don't like my blazers too baggy. so I definitely want it to sit not too fitted, but yeah, I want it to be nice. This is a size 8 blazer. There's lining on this, of course. If there wasn't lining on the blazer, I'll be alarmed. How much is this? Size 8 blazer, £79. If I'm honest, it feels nice. It's got shoulder pads. It feels like a standard blazer, something you'd also get in Zara, H&M. It's got pockets that you need to cut through. 2 pockets. Yeah, is it double-breasted? No, it's just yeah, it's double-breasted. Is it? Yeah, it is. I like the yellow. I like the pattern. It's nice. I feel like you can't go wrong with check, right? Yeah, I think this is great. My initial reactions is great, lovely, and I will definitely be looking out for the sale section. I'll let you know when they are on sale, they have a sale going on. I don't know if I would encourage buying full price just because I'm such a bargain hunter and there's nothing like extraordinary for me on the quality. I love the colors that I picked. The color scheme is great. I'm going to show you now in the part 2 of this video the styling of these items and the parts, how they sit on me, and just get a feel of the size and the sizing scales that they have. So yeah, thank you so much. Stay tuned. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and support your sis, and let's enjoy building the channel together. Thank you so much. I love you, and have a great day, great night, whenever you're watching this. Mwah.